You know, one thing that's real important in crankbait fishing is understanding that every crankbait has a dive curve, but also know that by just adjusting your rod tip, the level that it's at on the retrieve, you can change that dive curve up to 4 to 5 foot. We've been casting into shallower weeds that are topping off at about 3 foot. Now this number 11 hit stick that we're using, it'll actually get down 5 or 6 foot on the cast. So what I'm doing is, as I start my retrieve, I'm keeping that rod tip high, and I'm kind of guessing about where that weed edge is, and then I drop the rod tip down to allow that bait to basically stay at the same level above the weed tops, and that's, the fish are using those weeds as an ambush point, so keeping that bait at the right height above the weeds makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.